Cardano just had its biggest update in history, and it's going to change everything we know about ADA. It now has the potential to develop as many use cases as Ethereum and more. There are already hundreds of applications on Cardano, and it's only a matter of time before some of them go viral. Curious to know more about this? Make sure to stay until the end. Welcome to the Crypto Nights channel, where you get your daily dose of crypto insights. Today you will learn about Cardano's tech and its place in the crypto markets, the Alonzo update and what smart contracts will do for Cardano, why the price dumped when the update was released, what to expect for ADA's price going forward, and why it's destined for $10 in the near future. If you love making money and learning about crypto, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We drop new videos twice a week to keep you informed about crypto. Cardano is built on solid tech. Cardano was developed in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, who was a co-founder of Ethereum. It launched in 2017 with its cryptocurrency ADA. Developments on Cardano take a longer time relative to other coins because any changes are meticulously researched and tested before implementing them. Cardano is similar to Ethereum because it uses proof of stake instead of proof of work, and it can allow smart contracts so decentralized applications can be built on it. It's different from Ethereum because transactions are given timestamps and executed in the same order, in a process called proof of history. Ethereum can have very high gas prices when there's a lot of demand because you have to bid for your place in the queue, and if you don't bid high enough you might have to wait so long that your transaction gets cancelled. Cardano solves this problem by using two separate ledgers for calculations and settlements. This makes it faster than Ethereum with much more stable fees. Some refer to Ethereum as a second-generation cryptocurrency, and Cardano's improvements make it a third-generation cryptocurrency. There are some people in the crypto space who see Cardano as a threat to Ethereum because of its improvements. They like to call Cardano an Ethereum killer and publish harsh criticisms about it. These should be taken with a grain of salt. It's easy for people to look at different coins and assume they are competing with each other to win the prize of more investors, and then they fall into the trap of only cheering for one coin over all others. This isn't how markets work though. Each cryptocurrency attracts different people to it because of its own special use case, ecosystem, and community. There can be some overlap, and that's a good thing. Crypto gives us an escape from the monopolies and centralization that overrun other markets. We can celebrate healthy competition for multiple coins because it brings us new innovations and growth. That being said, there is one criticism of Cardano that was entirely true. Until now, Cardano didn't have smart contracts. Investing in Cardano before now was mostly speculative, just waiting for the day that this promising coin would start having some serious use cases like Ethereum. That day has finally come, on September 12th with the Alonzo update. The ADA train is leaving now, and it might never come back to these prices again. Smart contracts are the catalyst for ADA. This most recent update is a big deal for Cardano, and its founder says it's probably the most significant change in the history of the protocol. This is because it enables smart contracts. Smart contracts are what breathes life into a proof of stake coin and separates them from the rest. Without smart contracts, a coin can only be used to store and transfer value. These use cases are really important, and they build a backbone for the crypto market. There are a limited number of reasons to buy a coin without smart contracts though. Let's be honest, the only reason you would buy Bitcoin or Dogecoin is to either hold on to it and hope it increases in value, or send it somewhere as a payment or wallet transfer. It's a great way to invest your money and balance your portfolio, but that's about it. The store of value coins will grow over time if, and only if, more people invest in them. Smart contracts open up a whole new world of opportunities for the coins that have them. Anyone can develop an application that runs on that coin's blockchain. You can make a swap or decentralized exchange to let people trade different cryptocurrencies with each other. Decentralized finance lets people stake tokens, lend, and borrow with each other. NFTs let people turn their art or information into a token with proof of ownership, and NFT exchanges let them trade collectibles. Now you can create any of these apps on Cardano, or even your own crypto token. There are already 800 projects that have received funding from Cardano, and 33,000 people working on them. All of these new apps and tokens will be part of Cardano's ecosystem, and every transaction that happens with any of them will use ADA for fees. You can imagine what this will do for the price of ADA. Alonzo's launch dropped ADA's price. On the day that the Alonzo update went live, ADA's price dropped by 20%. Whenever the price moves opposite of what people expect, they look for a reason to blame. Some people on Twitter were pointing at one of the D apps on the testnet that had some downtime, claiming that Cardano can't handle the increased transactions. The problem was with the D app though, not Cardano. The update rolled out smoothly, and over 100 apps were launched in the first 24 hours. What really caused the dip is that 2 days before the update the price pumped 20%. It was a classic story of swing traders following the philosophy, buy the hype and sell the news. A huge event like this update is usually priced in beforehand by investors who follow the coins on social media. During the month between the time the update was first announced and its launch, ADA's price nearly doubled. Some of these swing traders took profits when the update came out because that was their signal. All of these price moves were because of speculation, not use case. This is great news for anyone buying ADA now, because its use case is what will drive the value going forward. Cardano's ecosystem is just getting started. Let's take a look at a different proof-of-stake coin, Solana. Solana has allowed smart contracts since its launch in March of 2020. Sol grew quickly during that time, but mostly followed the rest of the market. Suddenly last month it did a 5x in price, from $40 to over $200. It's settling into its new normal now above $130, but it's giving us no reason to believe it won't keep climbing. You know what caused this? Apes. The degenerate Ape Academy released NFTs on Solana that went viral. Money poured into Solana from all the NFT collectors who wanted to get their hands on these goofy and strangely endearing apes. This brought awareness to the coin, and many realized that NFTs aren't exclusive to Ethereum, enjoying the lower gas prices. Solana's entire ecosystem is quickly growing now, and so is its price. A similar growth happened with the Binance Smart Chain coin, BNB. Smart contracts were launched in September of 2020, and the next few days were met with a 20% drop. The price doubled the next week, and has never returned to its pre-smart contract levels. Last spring it rose to $600, a 15x move in 4 months. It outpaced most other coins in the bull market because it became a popular choice for DeFi staking and yield farming. As you can see from both of these examples, real changes in value happen with use case. I think we can expect something similar with ADA. Cardano has one of the biggest communities in crypto, and it's already the third largest coin by market cap. We have no idea what kinds of apps and NFTs and tokens will be developed on Cardano in the future, but we can be sure that ADA will be in high demand whenever they catch on. With a capped supply and the majority of its state, ADA's ever-increasing demand will send the price soaring in the near future. $10 ADA is inevitable. So the long-term prospects look great, but you're probably wondering what the next few months will look like because crypto moves really fast. ADA spent the first half of September forming a descending triangle on the hourly chart. It will probably break down to retest the $2 area, unless it breaks above $2.60 first. It has strong support at $1.83, and it's unlikely it'll go lower than that. On the upside, the resistance is at its new all-time high from the beginning of the month, at $3.10. In my opinion, the market is gearing up for a massive bull run at the end of the year. This summer has been difficult for all of us, but take a look at what happened in 2013 if you need some inspiration. We're following this same pattern now, with Bitcoin making a minor move in the spring and a lull in the summer. If this plays out, we'll have an unbelievably massive move this winter and another altcoin season in January. I'm not a fortune teller or financial advisor, but anyone can agree it's best to buy low and sell high. Right now, we're definitely low. Holding ADA for years and years wouldn't be a bad idea at all. But if you're planning on selling it during this market cycle, it's better to pick a price to sell it at beforehand. It can be hard to know when to sell when the market's pumping, and after the peak it'll fall as fast as it rose. There's two parts to a trade, the entry and the exit, and they're both equally important to think about. I would say a good sell price for ADA is $10, and I have several reasons for saying this. $10 will probably be met with a lot of psychological resistance because there are tons of people who like to sell at nice round numbers. $10 also puts ADA close to the market cap Ether has now. Cardano definitely has the technology to play a similar role in the market as Ethereum, but it will probably take more than a few months to catch up. And because ADA already has a high market cap, its price is not going to move as explosively as Solana did. So ADA is a relatively safe way to potentially quadruple your money in less than half a year, not a bad deal if you ask me. Cardano is ready to grow. Cardano is a third-generation cryptocurrency that takes its time to make research-based technology. It is faster than Ethereum, with more stable gas fees. Before this month, it didn't have smart contracts, but still reached the number 3 spot in market cap just from speculative investments. With the Alonzo update, it now has a path towards an enormous number of use cases. The update was successful and rolled out smoothly. Now it's possible to build DeFi exchanges, NFTs, and new tokens on the Cardano network, and thousands of people are already working on them. Every time a product in the Cardano ecosystem goes viral, we're going to see major growth in ADA's price. It might take some patience to see huge gains, but it's a low-risk investment that you can stake and feel confident about for years to come. We hope you enjoyed this video today. Do you think ADA will pass $10 in the next year? Let us know in the comments. If this video provided you some value, please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to our channel. If you have any video suggestions or comments, please let us know below. We love feedback. We appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.